Welcome to my BM Hobby FLD conversion kit guide. Tools you'll need are Allen key, Phillips and a flat screwdriver, the original wheel nut opener. The conversion kit will come with main chassis with double M-sided tape applied, rear magnet holder, front magnet holder, battery extender for bigger batteries, 2 wheels. These are the only designs I've got at the moment, but more designs will come out. 2 washers will come with it for the rear wheels, 4 screws for the front suspension. Start off by taking the shell, put that to the side, disconnect the motor, disconnect the servo. My ECS has already been removed, so it's a bit easier for me than it will be for you. Put that to the side, flip the car around, take these 2 screws off,
put them to the side, they'll be used in a minute.
Put the front part of the chassis to the side, and we're going to work on the back. Now that the back is separated, we're going to remove these 2 screws while holding down the suspension by the sides. And get the back magnet holder with the pre-installed screws, line it up, screw it down hand tight, no need to torque it down. And there you go. Once that's done, you can put this to the side and I'll work on the front. Now back to the front, but start off by taking off the front 2 wheels. Keep these bearings because they'll be used on the new wheels. Then flip the shell around, take out this Phillips. Take out this Phillips that holds in the servo arm. Then you might need to switch to a flat bit and then pop the servo arm off. Just like that. Then remove these top 4 screws that hold the servo in. Pull the servo out. Can be stuck in there, so just a little wiggle. And there you go. Put that to the side. Next we'll flip the car around again and take out this middle black Allen screw. Put that to the side. Then we're going to remove the top suspension mount. Pull that off. Sometimes springs come off with it, sometimes they stay on the rods. Just take them and put them to the side. Now turn the car around, take out the bottom 2 screws for the bottom mount. Pull it off, put that to the side, and then now wiggle this out. There you go. Now you put this aside, you don't need that anymore. Before we carry on with the conversion chassis, we need to screw this all the way in. So if you can see, you want it to end up like that. Get the shortened chassis, put this through. Flip it around, Once you get it through, line it up on the inside and get the black screw you removed and put it on loosely, just to hold it in place. There you go, just like that. Next step, get the 2 screws supplied with the kit, put them through the bottom mount of the suspension, bring it to the chassis, screw them in just lightly for now. Then flip the car around, slide the 2 axle points onto the suspension, just like that. And then continue tightening it down, and over tighten it. Then get your 2 springs, drop them in there, get the 2 remaining screws supplied with the kit, get your top suspension mount, get the balls to line up, drop one down there, then now screw it down with the 2 new screws provided with the kit.
Again, hand tighten, do not torque them down.
Now get the top magnet mount for the front, line it up, get the 2 long screws provided with the kit and screw it in. Screws will protrude a little from the back, but that's fine. Once the top mount is done, then we're going to get the ECS and stick it down. Making sure the battery side it matches this cutout here. And you just stick it down. Once ECS is stuck down, we're going to get the wheels, put them back on.
Pedal. Same the other side.
And then get your Allen key, loosen the screw just a little bit, slide it back until the wheels become straight, and then tighten it down. Once you've got the wheel straightened out, drop the servo arm into the hole in the center of the car, then get the servo, push it in, should be a snug fit, then plug it into the second port on the ECS. You will need your battery and controller for this next part. Power on the ECS, power on your controller. Make sure your gyro is turned off and center it to 0. turn the controller off, unplug the ECS, put the controller to the side, flip the car around. Now plug that into the servo, the servo arm into the servo, and then get the silver screw you removed earlier, the Phillips one, and screw the arm back in. Once the servo arm is screwed down, we use the original brackets and screws to hold down the servo. Just line it up. This part can be a bit tricky and fiddly. Once you've got the servo screwed down, clip the rear motor, turn it around, line them up, and then screw it down using the original silver screws you removed at the start. And there you go, that is the kit installed. Now plug the servo back in, and the motor here on the other connector. And then if you have small batteries, you can slide them straight in here like that. But if you have big batteries, we've got the battery extender here, where you can just slide it into the two slots here, where it will give you extra space to put bigger batteries. We will supply Velcro to go with it, so you can hold the bigger batteries down, and it will look like that. But for now I'm using my small battery as I've got one. Turn the car on, turn the controller on, make sure everything works. You can adjust the steering angle now because you set it to 0 earlier. Oops, throttle. There you go. Steering all working, going backwards, forwards. Now finally the moment we've all been waiting for. And there you go. Car is converted to a Chibi kit. Obviously I've got the original wheels on at the moment. I will add another 10-second video at the end showing it with the bigger wheels on. For the BBS wheels, remove the original wheel, slide it on, and then use the washer that I supplied. Can be a bit tricky, and there you go, it's in position, and then use the original nut. Screw down the wheel. And there you go. Same with the front one, but we're going to take the bearings out for the front one and transfer them over to the BBS wheel. Pop the bearing out and transfer it over to the slimmer version of the tyre at the front. Push it in at the back, one at the front, and slide that on. Yeah, you don't want it too tight, so you just want it to spin freely, and then I'll be back once I put the other side on. And there you go, that is the car with the wheels on. All centered, everything's in order. There you go. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one where we do the TG chassis.